Sophie Lamotte. Sophie, just talk us through what's happening today.
Yes, we're actually just outside this very new courthouse that you mentioned, bringing together an ad hoc tribunal, especially for this trial of the massacre of the Conakry Stadium that happened in 2009. On this very day, on the 28th of September, there has been a slight change of plans. This morning, the trial was supposed to start at 9 a.m. Instead, authorities decided that they wanted to organize an inauguration of this new tribunal courthouse beforehand. We have been waiting for incumbent president all morning, but it's actually just arrived. The news just arrived a few moments ago that he won't be taking place, or he won't be joining the inauguration celebrations. So, some authorities have taken the stand, some UN representatives, ICC representatives, and representatives from the government. We heard speeches about, putting an end to impunity, about an independent justice system. But we also spoke to the lawyer of some of the families who's been working on this case for now 12 years. And he said that he fears that, there is so much importance put on this inauguration that it takes away from really the depth of this trial. And he fears that authorities could be making this judicial affair into a political one. We also spoke to some human rights activists who say that this trial is unfolding at a complicated time for Guinea, with increased human rights abuses, a ban on protest, and that we should all pay special attention as to how this trial is going to unfold. It must be in a fair and lawful manner.
And I imagine those who are particularly concerned that this trial takes place swiftly and fairly are the victims and their families.
Absolutely. We actually spoke just earlier to a rape victim. You mentioned earlier 109 women were raped on that day. These are just the official numbers. We spoke to one of them, and she really expressed that, the need for the truth to come out. She says she really wants, what's really important for her is that perpetrators explain what happened, admit to their role in the unfolding of these events, why they did what they did. And they also want, obviously, for the perpetrators to be punished. They're looking really at this trial for justice, for some form of closure, and they really hope that this will contribute to the non-repetition of these crimes.
Sophie Lamotte in Conakry, Guinea. Thanks very much.